Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this beautiful 2017 Infiniti Q60 all-wheel drive that we have for sale. We acquired this one off lease directly from Infiniti Financial Services as a new Infiniti franchise. We often get first dibs on some of the off-lease vehicles before they go to auction, where everyone can bid on them. And of course, this beautiful silver on black clean Carfax all-wheel drive model. This is a 3.0 Premium with an amazing VR30 twin turbocharged engine. 2017 is the first year of the completely ground up redesigned Q60. They skipped the model year, so 2015 was the last year of the previous Q60. They skipped one for 2016, and with the brand new redesigned one, they came out 2017. And this is a beautiful vehicle indeed, very nicely equipped with features. Look at this nice interior contrast stitching throughout, even on the dashboard. The doors brushed aluminum. You have a drive mode selector to tailor transmission shift points, throttle sensitivity, traction stability control settings for different driving situations. 7-speed automatic transmission helps to maximize performance. You also have a manual shift mode. You pull the shifter back to the left, you push up to upshift, back for downshift, providing rev match downshifts for a sportier sound and feel. The Q60 has a dual display system. The top screen is for clock, Bluetooth connectivity, and parking camera. The bottom screen is a tablet-like interface for vehicle settings and apps. Dual zone auto climate control. We have a Bose 13-speaker performance audio system for you music lovers. You'll definitely enjoy that. Automatic dimming mirror, universal garage door opener, integrated compass. You have a Bluetooth audio streaming, one-touch tinted sunroof, nice leather-wrapped steering wheel. This one has 24,791 miles at the time of making this video. This Q60 is certified pre-owned, which you can only get from a new Infiniti store like us. Infiniti's pre-owned certification provides lots of benefits. One of the biggest one is they give you a 6-year unlimited mileage warranty that covers about 1,400 components. And that is good at any Infiniti dealership in the US or Canada. And basically you get all the benefits you would get with a brand new Infiniti, like roadside assistance, trip interruption. Also with certified pre-owned, they sometimes offer special APRs for qualified buyers that are pretty close to what you get on a brand new Infiniti. You can inquire about that a little bit later. Look at this beautiful curvaceous body. It looks unbelievable. One of the nicest looking coupes on the road. LED headlights provide outstanding nighttime visibility. This one features intelligent all-wheel drive, great for the wet, slippery weather we have in the Pacific Northwest. The reason why it's intelligent all-wheel drive is because when all-wheel drive is not needed, it will send 100% of the power to the rear wheels. Why do they do that? Well, when the all-wheel drive system's working all the time, even when it's not needed, it's going to reduce your fuel economy. It can chew through your tires a little bit faster. And you also want to have the feeling of a performance rear-wheel drive vehicle. This is a performance automobile, so having that rear-wheel drive bias helps improve fuel economy, battles premature tire wear, and gives you the feel of a rear-wheel drive sports car. But this Q60 has a brain that's constantly monitoring driving conditions, so as soon as those rear wheels slip, in a matter of milliseconds, almost instantly, it can send up to 50% of the vehicle's power to the front wheels. So you get amazing wet weather performance. This has 300 horsepower, so if you just had a rear-wheel drive version of this, it would do fine in the drive, but when it's wet like this, you try putting that power to the ground, the rear wheels are going to want to spin, the traction control system's going to kick in, and it's going to reduce your performance. Where you have the all-wheel drive system sending the power up to 4 wheels, this thing just grips and goes. And of course, if you're going to drive in the snow, you're going to do a lot better with all-wheel drive versus rear-wheel drive. Also, you get these 19-inch alloy wheels. Really looks beautiful and suits the looks and lines of the Q60 very nicely. This is a VR30. The Q60 is actually one of the first vehicles to receive this new engine. It makes 300 horsepower. There's another Red Sport variant that makes 400 horsepower, but I can tell you after driving both, if you're not an all-out speed demon, this offers more than enough performance with 300 horsepower. and it's a pretty good deal. You know, you have to pay a pretty big premium to move up to the Red Sport. So I think for most people, this is a great price point and an excellent amount of performance. It features direct injection, the latest in gasoline engine technology, sending highly pressurized gas directly into the combustion chamber. Generally, that gives you better fuel economy, lower emissions, and more horsepower. Since the 2017 Q60 was a brand new model, they really haven't made that many differences. We have some 2020s over here. If you parked them side by side, you'd really have a hard time telling the difference. If you're in the market for a nice performance all-wheel drive coupe with the peace of mind of certified pre-owned with that extended warranty, giving you all those great manufacturer benefits from a new Infiniti luxury franchise like us, this Q60 is worth a look. It's also backed by a 5-day 100% money back guarantee. Thanks for watching this video, and hopefully we'll see you in our store very soon, and have a wonderful day.